what's up guys, my name is Diamond Gaming and today I'm gonna be showing you how to boost your FPS in Minecraft. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is to clean your PC or laptop. So first thing first, right click and click run and type percent temp percent and click OK. Once that, these are the temporary files that you don't need anymore. Be Control A and then press delete and click this box. Do this for all current items. Just press skip. Next step is go again, click run, and this time you type temp only, no percent. So you click OK and then still do the same thing, Control A and delete. Do this for all current items. Skip. Next thing you do again is to go back to run again and type prefetch this time. Prefetch. And you click continue. And then here are the prefetch files also. These are useless. You don't need this. You're just gonna delete it. After that, you'll be clean and you're done. Once that, you're gonna empty the recycle bin and click yes. I'll leave a link in the description for the full cleaning of your system so that it will reduce lag to your games and have better performance in your device. So the next step would be you go to this Windows icon again, right click and go to power options. As you can see, that change it to high performance. After that, you're good to go and just click X. Next step, we're gonna be adding more RAM. We're gonna allocate more RAM to Minecraft. So first, let's go. We're just gonna search Java. It's gonna search configure Java. Click configure Java and it's gonna load. Just gonna wait for it and then we're here. So you're gonna go to Java and click view, and as you can see, first time you see this in here is there's no letters and stuff, so whatever you see in this runtime parameters, you're just gonna delete it. So it depends on how many RAMs you're gonna add, and to check your system specs, you're just gonna right click and go click system. If you have 8 GB RAM like me, I recommend that you will just take half of it or maybe more, but don't put every RAM in the system to Java because it will ruin your system. It will be at balance and it's just not recommended for you guys. So for me, you type dash xmx and then the gigabyte, the amount of RAM that you want. I'll put mine to 5020. So I'll put 5020 here and you click OK and you click apply. That's all. The next thing we do is to change the launch options of the Minecraft launcher. I don't have the official launcher in Minecraft, but it still works the same. So go to preference and then normally this would be empty, so reset the default so that you won't be confused. This would be the default settings. So all you have to do is to add the JVM arguments. That's the RAM thingy. So I'm just gonna memory allocation. I'm gonna add 5 MB and then you're gonna type here xmx. I'm gonna put 5 gigabytes of RAM, xmx 520, and then type that again, xmx 520. Depends on you guys, but I will add 5 GB on mine. xmx 520 again and 5xmx 520 again. So there we have it. After that, I'm just gonna save this settings so that it won't be reset, and click save. The next thing we will do is to install Optifine. So just search Optifine in Google and click the first one. Its name is https optifine.link. I will leave a link in the description so that it will be easier. So go to downloads and click whenever you want. So currently I have 1.12.2. You click the latest and click download. Once that, we're just gonna wait for it. Just gonna skip this ad. And this is the file. You're gonna click it and download. You're gonna click save, and we're just gonna wait for it. Okay, now download is done. You're just gonna click in an open folder and you're gonna click it, double click it, and install. Optifine is successfully installed. Now it's done. Very easy. The next step to optimize your FPS in Minecraft is to change the in-game options. So as of now, we got 44 FPS, 28 FPS. We're gonna increase that. So click ESC, go to options, and follow what I will click in these options. So go to video settings first, and then click switch graphics to fast, and then smooth lightning to off, and then smooth lightning level to off. Let's change that. After that, the brightness doesn't really matter. Dynamic lights, it's optional. I turn mine off. So in render distance, you change it to 4, and if you want it to really fast, you change it to 2. So I'll just change mine to 4. And the max frame rate, I'm gonna change it to unlimited, so that it has no limits and stuff. And the use VBOs, turn it off. And after that, go to details, and for the clouds, you click on fast, and for the trees, you click also fast. And after that, you're gonna go to others for Optifine, and you show FPS. Let's time default. Okay, don't touch anything here. So don't touch anything here. It's okay. After that, we got like, let's see how we got here. We got 86 FPS, guys. Before I was not recording, I got like 100 to 500 FPS. But if I'm recording, I got like 60 to 100 FPS. So you won't really see it. The next thing we do is to open Task Manager. So you're gonna right click and click Task Manager, and it's gonna open. So it's gonna be here. So you're gonna right click. Java TM platform is SE binary. You're gonna right click and go to details. For this to work, you must open Minecraft, okay? So these two, java.exe and java.exe, don't know how to read it, sorry, I'm not English. So we're gonna right click and set priority to high, and change priority, and same with the java.w.exe, set priority to high. So that's all of it. Okay guys, for the last step, this is for the PC/laptop users who has Nvidia Geforce. So if you don't have one, you can leave the video. So for everyone who has Nvidia, you can go to Control Panel, right click and go to Nvidia Control Panel. So it's gonna load, and these are the default settings. We're gonna change that. So go to adjust image settings with preview and click use the advanced 3D image settings, and then click apply. It's gonna load and it's done. Next, we're gonna go to manage 3D settings. Okay, it's there. So it's there. So we're gonna click add. Go, you go to program settings. Don't go to global settings, because if you change it here, it would max your CPUs and GPUs performance, even it's not necessary. So you're just gonna manually set it up. You go to, excuse me, go to program settings and you click add. We're gonna find Java and the Minecraft launcher here, so we can change the setting. It's loading, and you will click add and find Java. I saw Java here now. Just gonna click it and add selected program. So we're gonna change the settings. We're gonna go down, go here, use high performance, Nvidia processor. Make sure to select this, and then you're gonna scroll down and find the multi-display mixed GPU acceleration. So you're just gonna click it and click single display performance mode, and then you scroll down, you click power management mode to prefer maximum performance, change it there. And then for the last thing, go to texture filtering quality, you change it to high performance. So you click apply, and it's gonna apply the new settings. So we're done, and we're gonna go to set configuration and make sure to select your GeForce processor. I already set mine, and if it's in the normal default, it will just so you're just gonna click it here and click GeForce 828 and click apply after that, and it will use the GeForce. So go back to manage 3D settings after that, and you click add, and if you can't see Java or something here in the select a program, you're just gonna click browse. So there's two settings, there's two Java running Minecraft. It's Java and that Java w.exe. Also the launcher, you're gonna include the launcher. So we're just gonna change again, same settings. You go to high performance and this one again, and scroll down, power management mode, you click add and go browse, go to Windows C, program files A6, go to Java, click this one, add to current folder. Where is it again? Java common files. Okay, go to common files, Java browse common files. Where is it? Common files, there, common files, and go to Java. Oh, there it is. Go to Java update. Oh wait, never mind, go back here. Java common files, Oracle, go to Java path, and there we have it. Java w.exe or whatever you call it. Click open, and then after that you're gonna select high performance Nvidia processor, and we're gonna click and use the same settings, simple display performance, power management, prefer maximum performance, blah blah blah, text performance, high quality, no, high performance, and then we're done. Click apply, and everything will be applied. After that, we're all done. We're just gonna restart the PC and check the FPS of Minecraft again. So we're just gonna check the FPS today, and we got like 300, 200, 220. We got like 300 FPS, above 200 to 300 FPS average, and for max we got 400, and that's a really great improvement, because before I got like 60 to 120 FPS. Oh, we got now 490 FPS. Before I got like 60 to 120, and now it's 200 to 400 FPS. That's a really huge improvement. So yeah, if it's in not in full screen, it would get really that big amount of FPS, because the more smaller the resolution, the more FPS you get. So let's try to full screen now. So we got in full screen, we got the average of 95 FPS above, 90 to 90 to yeah, 95 FPS in full screen. That's not that bad. Before, when I use full screen in my computer, I get 20 to 40 FPS, and now it's really a great improvement. So yeah, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if this helps, and thank you for everything, and peace out.